Oh, hi guys. I have some free time. The company is doing the seating in the building, so it's a good time to do my yearly tractor checkup. Fix some bolts, check if the wires still work. They don't. It's a 40-year-old tractor, and it still has the original electrical boom harness. It's terrible. But my first target is to clean this tractor and open the bonnet. What is very annoying in the Massey, you have to actually unscrew everything to look at the engine. Like, there's only one good reason to do that. You make the tractor so reliable that you will never open it. Or don't do that. Like, it's really annoying. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. So, air filter has to go off. This is an oil buff filter. Come on. And you have to open both the tanks, the diesel and the hydraulic, or the cooling liquid. So that's actually also a bit annoying, but okay. That is dirty. I don't know if you can see it, but the oil color is still light, but there's like a bunch of flies and dust in it. Luckily it's the second stage. There's here below there's another stage that filters the air, so that's all okay. Let me first take the bolts off. That's a 13. These they go easy. Okay. Side panel goes off also like that. I can also wash that actually. I think it should be going then. Put quickly this thing. Man. There's a pine needle inside somehow. Actually. Can use some cooling liquid. How does oil even get here? Okay, that's all fine. This actually always works. That's one of the few things. The diesel meter, or the fuel gauge, how you want to call it, that works. Okay, where's this thing? Ah, yeah, okay. Perfecto! Let me write it out and then let's wash this thing. Come on. I forgot engines need oxygen. Perfecto. This tractor is still made in the time that stuff was made out of metal. This sensor cable I broke. Should be easy to fix, but red vertical, black thingy diagonal.